Good morning, boys and girls. It's Friday, just before we go and have a lovely weekend. I hope you've worked hard this week, and now we're going to have a look at our assessment that you're going to hand in to me, and I'm very excited to see how well you're going to do. So what you need before you listen to this is you need to have either your assessment paper that I gave you printed out and you're going to write on that, or otherwise you're going to just have a normal piece of paper with lines on and you're going to write the end sounds and the beginning sounds of the pictures, just like we did on your boards during the week, and then you're going to write it neatly on the lines with your pencil, and we're not going to check them because I'm going to do that when you've handed them in. I'm very excited to see your work. Right, so I hope that you've got those papers ready and your pencil ready. As I call the word, we're going to start with the beginning sounds because they start the words. And I said green is for go, so they're on green pieces of cardboard. And also remember, now that you have a line to write on, that you put the tails in the correct line, the tummies, and the necks of the letters. So let's start. The first picture is a pear. It's a fruit, a pear. So write the letter. The next one is a rocket. So write the first letter of this word, rocket. Move them up a bit. Ant. Ant. Write the first letter. I'm going to put the ant on the rocket. And the last one, umbrella. Umbrella. Right, now you're going to go on to the next line and we're going to do 4 end sounds. So get ready for that. Your pencil. Remember, if you make a mistake, just put a neat line through it. There's no need to rub it out or scratch it out and look like a chicken has walked there or a spider fell in some ink and made a big blob. You just put a neat line through it if there's a mistake. Right, so you're going to go on to the next line and you're going to write down the sounds of these 4 end sounds of these pictures. Right, the first one, bag. Remember, you're doing the end sound, bag. Box, box. Uh-oh, somebody spilt a blob of paint, paint. And the last one, you had this earlier in the week, but we had to get the beginning sound of this. Now it's the end sound. Zip, zip. Right, so you're now going to carry on with the rest of your assessment. You're going to correct those sentences, and let's hope you find all the capital letters and the full stops or the question marks or the exclamation marks that I have left out. Okay, I hope that I don't trick you and that you find all of them. Right, well done, boys and girls. Have a lovely weekend.